everyone, welcome to Courseworks Google Ads series. So today we'll be talking about dynamic keyword insertion in Google Ads. What is the formula, how do we use it, and what are the benefits? So firstly, let us understand with the definition. So dynamic keyword insertion lets you automatically update your ad with the keywords into your ad group that cause your ads to show. So in simple, for example, we add a dynamic keyword insertion into our ad and we give it a base keyword. So Google will match that keyword with the keywords present into your ad group, and it will replicate that and show it to the people. So this will make more sense to the people. It will be more appealing and it will be more relevant of the content that you are providing. This can make your ad more relevant to people searching for what you offer, as I said. So the formula that we have is curly bracket on, we write keyword, then we write semicolon, then we add our keyword and the curly bracket close. So into our ad copy I will also show you. So for example, this is the search campaign I have just chosen. So I will just click into the edit option and I will be redirected here. So this is the marketing agency campaign where we are targeting PPC ads, digital marketing, Google ads and everything. So I have to add a dynamic keyword insertion. So in dynamic keyword insertion, as I said, this is the formula. For example, I have added the word chocolate. So, and I have a list of keywords into my ad group where I have mentioned by dark chocolate, sugar-free chocolate, chocolate, etc. So anyone who is searching for dark chocolate bar, so it will showcase them as by dark chocolate, because chocolate is my base keyword which I have added into the dynamic keyword insertion, and it will match that with my ad group and also matches the search query of the customer. For example, if I write here, first of all let us understand how do we write keyword insertion. So you have to turn on the curly bracket. As soon as you do that, you will get the option of adding a keyword insertion. You have to click on it and you have to give a default text. For example, here we have chocolate. Now here we have Google Ads. So for example, I write Google Ads expert. Now and then I have to apply. This is done. So this is the same format which is here. So now taking the example of a marketing agency, for example, I have added keywords like Google expert, near me, online, Delhi, India, etc. But in my ad copy, I cannot add all of them because it will replicate, repeatedly, it will not look good. And also in 15 headlines, I do not know which 3 Google will pick, right? So if it picks up like Google ad expert in Delhi, India and all those things, so it will not look good. So what I'll do is I will add a dynamic keyword insertion here and I am done. Now it's Google's work that how they will show, how they will match with the person's query. So now if somebody searches for Google ad expert near me, Delhi, India, Google will change it into my ad copy and it will showcase the same way as they are searching. So for my customer it will be more relevant, and for me the advantage would be I have added a dynamic keyword insertion. So I have to only add this keyword once. Now it is Google's call how they will mix match the combination depending upon the search query of the customer and showcase to them. So I found it very relevant. If you have noticed, initially when I opened this ad, the ad strength was good, but because now I have added the dynamic keyword insertion, it's been excellent now, right? And it says your ads are all set and they will have a higher chances of performing well. So dynamic keyword insertion is very great. I would recommend you to add only one per ad. If you have multiple ad copies, like if you have 5 ad copies, maybe one for Google ads, then Facebook ads, then YouTube ads, then anything, if you have, then you can probably add one DKI, I mean the dynamic keyword insertion, into each ad copy, and this is going to amaze you. It's amazing. So do use these dynamic keyword insertions into your ad copy. This will also make your ad more relevant, and of course you will end up getting a lot of clicks, and of course if you have a lot of clicks, you will expect a lot of conversions out of it as well. So this is all for today. If you have any queries, you can drop. Otherwise, do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a great day.